Earth's total surface area is about 510 million square kilometers. And out of that, land is only around 149 million square kilometers. Now think about this. On the same planet, there's a jungle that doesn't behave like a country. It behaves like a system, the Amazon, spanning roughly 6.7 million square kilometers. This isn't just trees, it's a massive river network, and WWF estimates the Amazon River accounts for 15 to 16% of the world's total river discharge into the oceans. And across this biome, you'll find at least 10% of the world's known biodiversity. And here's the shocking part. The Amazon isn't empty wilderness. It's home to more than 30 million people, including 350 indigenous ethnic groups, with dozens of communities still largely isolated. But the real twist is this: we still don't fully know what lives here. WWF reports that, on average, a new species of plant or animal is discovered in the Amazon every other day, which means somewhere inside this living machine, there are creatures that science hasn't even named yet, animals most of the world has never seen. Today, we're going inside the Amazon, what the world gets from it, how this machine works, and what's hiding under that green canopy. So, let's start the video. Let's start with scale. Because the Amazon is so big, your brain almost refuses to picture it. When people say jungle, it sounds like a single place you can point to on a map. But the Amazon doesn't behave like a place. It behaves like a system. The Amazon rainforest biome covers roughly 6.7 million square kilometers across multiple countries in South America. That's not a patch of trees. That's a living region, so vast it has its own internal worlds. Flooded forests that turn into temporary seas, endless canopy highways in the sky, and river corridors so wide they look like moving continents. And here's the part most people don't realize. From above, you don't see separate forests. You see one connected green surface, like an ocean made of leaves. But under that ocean is a network of water and life stitched together so tightly that one change in one area can ripple outward, quietly, until it becomes a shift you can feel far away. Now, here's where the Amazon stops being beautiful and starts being powerful. Because this machine isn't driven by trees alone, it's driven by water. So much water that it changes everything around it. At the center of it all is the Amazon River system, countless tributaries feeding into one massive flow. And according to WWF, this river sends about 15 to 16% of the world's total river discharge into the oceans. Let that sink in. One rainforest system moving a huge share of the planet's flowing fresh water. This is why the Amazon isn't just a forest you look at, it's a force you feel, through floods, through storms, through the life it carries downstream. So next, we follow the veins of this